What's going on, guys? I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets, and you've seen before that we've put CO2, this truck, against our Power Stroke a few times. First round we did a tug of war, and the CO2 won that. This is a supercharged gasser. But in the second round, the Power Stroke took the victory in the drag race. So we did round 1, round 2, and this time it's round 3. So it's going to be some serious off-road articulation, except this isn't actually round 3. This is 2.5, and we're doing urban articulation. To the right, he says.
Monster jamming this thing.
Yeah. Are we gonna fit between the cones? Yeah. We're doing all right. I'm barely squeezing between the cones. Hey, I don't think I can fit. Too tall. Well, he says we can fit. I was just gonna get a lemonade. I just don't want to curb a wheel. I can take out a cone, but that cone's not gonna make her.
You've got a little bit more room to go over there.
On that side? Okay.
Making a name for the order.
Parker?
Get your receipt. You have a great day, Parker.
Thank you. Very friendly people here always, but I didn't think they were gonna guide us through the entire drive-through. Yep.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to reach up there though. That's the problem. Nice truck. It's a sick truck.
Thank you.
LEDs in there too?
Oh, plenty.
Oh man, I wish you could see it at night.
I couldn't see you.
Right there, it's perfect.
Thanks. Yeah.
Here you are.
Thank you.
My pleasure. You can just head right out that way and have a great day.
Appreciate it. I'm not gonna make this corner. So we pull out and there's 2 state troopers right there. We're taking the back way home.
We're gonna have to back up. Because we're not gonna make that corner, I don't think. All right, I think we got her. Whew. I don't want to curb the wheel. Look at that expert precision. I'm a pro. I've done this once or twice. Dad's credit card worked today.
Nice job.
Thank you, sir.
Practice on.
We've done this once or twice. Dad lets me take the truck every weekend.
Hey Dustin, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
There we go. Just one moment for your bed break.
Sounds good. You know, you can really see the floor from this angle. Thank you as well.
It's not that lawnmowers are heavy, it's just that they're awkward. Oh, I poured gas all over myself. That was too much work. Sean's gonna be freaking pissed if he knows we put a lawnmower back here. All right, here we go. Jeez.
Maybe I should have kept it stock.
All right, so we're gonna hook up the trailer. Now, obviously, since this is a show truck and not an actual work truck, we're gonna go with the lightest aluminum trailer that we have. And because we can cheat, we can just use a little backup cam here. And I have no idea, this should go like right over the top of it, I would imagine. Yeah, I don't know, we'll try that. So before we get called out on the internet, yes, I know there's not a sleeve in here, but don't worry, like I said, we're not gonna actually tow anything for real, because this is a show. Oh, is this all the way up already? Oh boy. You think that's level, or like once we get some weight in it? That should work. Don't even need to crank it up. You can just leave it where it is. We're big rigging now.
Let's do some heavy hauling. Let's go get hooked up. Boom! Yes, sir. Yes.
So I'm not really sure if there was a clear winner here. You can let us know down in the comments below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Peace.